be trying out Burger King's brand new Halloween special Ghost Pepper Burger. Also, KFC's mac and cheese with chicken bowl. And we're gonna be seeing if it's bussin' or disgusting. And let's go find out now. This is the mac and cheese, and this is the ghost pepper sandwich, the Halloween special. This Nashville, see that bacon action, guys? Definitely have a kick to it. Let's compare it to see this. Both were equally as hot. Maybe this one's a little bit hotter, but this one's pretty good. Probably pretty good. All right, guys, I say the Burger King spicy sandwich and KFC's chicken with the mac and cheese. I say both of them are bussin'. And adios!